All party Hurriyat conference leaders have said that those who raise their voice for their right to self-determination and peace in the occupied Kashmir are being put in the jails. APHC leaders in their statement said anyone who speaks against the Indian atrocities is being put behind the bars. Indian police have arrested 5 innocent Kashmiris, including a woman in Kupwara and Bandipora districts. 3 persons identified as Zubair Ahmad Shah, Mubashir Yusuf Shah and Zahoor Ahmad Khan were arrested by the Indian Police, Army and the paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force personnel during cordon and search operations. Munira Begum and Shafayat Zubair Rishi were arrested by the Indian Forces personnel during house raids in the Bandipora districts. Munira Begum is the wife of the martyred youth Yusuf Chopan. Narendra Modi-led Indian government is criminalizing journalism in occupied Kashmir to cover up its crimes in the territory. In its latest clampdown on media in occupied Kashmir, Modi regime recently blocked the Srinagar-based news outlet The Kashmir Wala, said an analysis report by the Kashmir Media Service. Political experts in Srinagar said that the international community, particularly the UN, to stand up for the oppressed people of the occupied Kashmir who are facing the worst and brutal violations of the human rights in the internationally recognized disputed territory. The political experts and analysts talking to media men in Srinagar said that every democratic and justice-loving person must raise voice for the people of occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Political parties in occupied Kashmir have strongly criticized the awarding of controversial movie The Kashmir Files with the Film Award in India. The Kashmir Files was given the Nargis Dutt Award in the National Film Awards announced on Thursday. Through the Kashmir Wala film, the director Vivek Agnihotri has tried to distort the facts about the erodes of Kashmiri Hindu Pandits from the Kashmir Valley in 1990s and appease the Hindutva organizations, leaders and voters in India. Normal life was severely affected in the Jammu region today due to the shutdown and protest demonstration against the fleecing of the people of the occupied Kashmir by the Narendra Modi-led Indian government through the imposition of heavy toll tax and installation of smart meters of electricity across the territory. The business establishments in Jammu city and other major towns of the region remained closed while the traffic movement on the roads was very thin.